Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today, I will show you how to unpin WhatsApp chat on Android. Let's go. Pin chats are useful because they keep important conversations at the top of your chat list. However, you might want to unpin a chat if you no longer need it to be at the top. First of all, open up the WhatsApp application. Then tap Chats at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you are in the Chats tab, you'll see all your ongoing conversations. This is where you can see the pin chat at the very top. To unpin it, tap and hold on that particular chat. Holding it down will reveal several options at the top of your screen. This button is the Unpin button, so go ahead and tap on it. Once you've tapped on that button, chat has now been successfully unpinned from your list. You'll notice that it has moved back into its normal position within your chats list among all other conversations. Unpinning a WhatsApp chat on Android is as simple as navigating to Chats, finding your pinned conversation, tapping and holding it down, then selecting Unpin from the options above. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.